The galaxy had always looked at Earth as a small, weak world. For thousands of years, humans lived quietly, thinking they were safe and strong in their own little corner of space. But the other civilizations, vast and powerful, saw something different. They saw a planet full of primitive creatures, struggling with small wars and weak technology. They laughed at humans, calling them the galaxy's failed prototype. The warning came first, quietly, almost like a whisper among the stars. Alien fleets approached the solar system with silent but undeniable power. Human leaders watched in fear as the massive ships blocked the sun, their shadows stretching across the cities like dark fingers. Panic spread, but many still refused to believe. They thought, maybe, they could talk, maybe the aliens would understand. But the galaxy did not come to talk. The Council of Empires had already decided. Earth was an experiment gone wrong. And all experiments that fail were cast away. The decision was final, cold, and merciless. The first attacks began suddenly, without warning. Cities burned in an instant. Technology that humans had thought was advanced melted under alien weapons. The sky was full of fire and explosions. Humanity had never seen power like this. People ran through streets filled with chaos and smoke, trying to save their families, their homes, their lives. The leaders of Earth tried to fight back. Their fleets, small and old, met the alien forces with bravery. But bravery alone could not stop the ships that moved faster than thought and struck harder than anything humans had ever known. One by one, outposts fell, planets in the system were destroyed or captured. Every corner of Earth's influence seemed to shrink as the aliens advanced. And then came the exile. Humanity was forced to leave their home system. Ships filled with civilians, children, and elders fled to the unknown, leaving behind everything they had ever known. The galaxy watched as the proud human civilization, once full of hope and dreams, was cast into the void. Earth itself was marked as a failed world, a warning for anyone else who dared to rise too slowly. Even as they fled, humans did not give up entirely. The fire of survival burned quietly in their hearts. They knew the galaxy saw them as weak, but they also knew humans had something the aliens did not: creativity, courage, and the stubborn will to survive. These things could not be measured by alien technology. These things could not be judged by fleets or weapons. As the last human ships disappeared into the blackness between stars, the galaxy thought the story of Earth had ended. They thought the humans were finished, a failed experiment that would never rise again. But the humans carried something with them that the galaxy could not see. A spark, small but alive, a spark that would one day grow into a fire. A fire that would remind the galaxy that even the smallest, weakest world could rise and become unstoppable. And so, Earth fell. Not with shame, but with the quiet determination of a people who refused to disappear. The galaxy laughed as humanity vanished from sight. But deep in the hearts of the exiled humans, hope began to grow. And from that hope, the seeds of a new strength were planted. The story of Earth's fall was only the beginning. A beginning that no one in the galaxy would ever forget. Humanity drifted through the void, their ships small and fragile against the endless darkness of space. The stars around them seemed cold, indifferent, as if the galaxy itself had forgotten them. Families huddled in the cramped ships, children staring wide-eyed at the endless black, wondering if they would ever see Earth again. The elders spoke softly of the old world, of oceans and forests, of cities that touched the clouds. But those memories only made the exile harder. Every day was a fight to survive, every moment a reminder that the galaxy had rejected them. Food ran low, and water became precious. Engineers worked tirelessly to keep the ships running, repairing broken engines with whatever scraps they could find. Doctors tended the sick with limited medicine, using their skill and patience to keep hope alive. Despite the hardships, humans did not lose their courage. They adapted, slowly learning to make something from nothing. They turned small habitats into farms, growing food in artificial light. They built tools and weapons from salvaged alien technology. And in the darkness of exile, something unexpected began to grow. Human ingenuity, sharp and resilient, burned brighter than ever. The younger generation, born in exile, knew no Earth. For them, the stars were home, but they also understood the stories of the fallen world. They learned quickly, studying alien languages and technology in secret. They trained their minds and bodies, ready for challenges they could not yet see. The exiled humans became clever, cautious, and surprisingly strong. Even in fear, they found laughter and hope, small moments that reminded them why they could never give up. But survival was not just about making food or fixing engines. It was about hiding from the galaxy, staying out of sight of the empires that had exiled them. Human scouts learned to move through space silently, avoiding patrols and scanning signals. Sometimes, they watched the galaxy from afar, noting weaknesses in ships and defenses. And in the quiet, they dreamed of a day when they would no longer be hunted. A day when humans would return, not as weaklings, but as a force to be reckoned with. Suspense hung over every decision, every journey through unknown space. One wrong move could destroy an entire fleet, erase a family, or end a generation. Yet humans learned to turn fear into strategy. They became patient, cunning, and unexpectedly brave. Even the smallest human ship could outsmart a much larger alien patrol if they worked together. Every success, no matter how small, gave hope to all exiles. And every lesson learned made them stronger. The galaxy thought they had cast humanity aside forever. They believed that fear and hunger would crush the human spirit. But the humans were growing in ways the aliens could not see. Every challenge, every hardship, every dark night of space forged them into something new. Something clever, resilient, and unstoppable. The seeds of rebellion were planted quietly, hidden in the hearts of the exiled. And with each passing day, those seeds grew, waiting for the right moment to bloom. Humanity was no longer just trying to survive. They were preparing, learning, and evolving. The galaxy had laughed at Earth, called it weak, and sent it into the void. But in the shadows, humans were planning, dreaming, and becoming stronger. And one day, the galaxy would discover that the fire of humanity could never be extinguished. Time passed in the dark reaches of space, and humanity changed. Not in ways the galaxy could see, but in ways that mattered most. The exiles learned to blend their minds with technology, creating tools that no one had imagined. They studied alien ships, copying designs, and improving them. Every mistake taught them more than victory ever could. They began to understand the weaknesses of the very empires that had cast them away. On hidden planets, humans built secret bases, hidden beneath mountains, in forests, or deep underground. They trained their young not just to survive, but to think like tacticians and explorers. Children of exile learned to read alien languages, repair complex machines, and fight with precision. They became faster, stronger, and sharper than anyone expected. The galaxy believed humans were weak and scared. But humans were clever, patient, and growing more dangerous every day. Humanity did not just evolve physically and mentally. They evolved as a society, united by a single purpose: survival and return. They shared knowledge freely, trusted each other in ways no empire ever could. Every ship, every base, every new tool was part of a bigger plan. And while the galaxy ignored them, the humans quietly prepared for the day they would rise again. Some humans went further, experimenting with combining human biology and alien technology. Cyborg soldiers, advanced medics, and explorers who could survive extreme conditions were born. They were not perfect, but each success made them stronger and smarter. In secret labs and hidden stations, humans pushed boundaries that no alien civilization dared to touch. And still, they kept their work hidden, waiting for the right moment to reveal their strength. The suspense grew as scouts returned with news from the galaxy. The empires continued their wars and power struggles. They remained arrogant, thinking Earth was gone forever. They laughed at rumors of human activity in the dark. But humans were careful, never revealing the full extent of their evolution. Every raid, every small victory, was measured and precise. And every action reminded humans that the galaxy could be outsmarted. The human fleet, though still small, became more than just ships. They became a symbol of hope. Each vessel carried scientists, soldiers, engineers, and dreamers. Every person had a role in the plan, every skill mattered. The exiles were no longer lost, they were a hidden force, waiting for the moment to strike. The galaxy had thought them weak, primitive, and defeated. But the humans had grown in ways no one could have imagined. As the years passed, whispers of humanity began to reach distant empires. Small victories against pirates, strange technological discoveries, and sudden disappearances of patrols created fear. The galaxy laughed at first, thinking these were accidents. But humans were patient, letting their presence be felt slowly, carefully. Every action was part of a greater strategy. And in the hearts of the exiled, a quiet fire burned brighter than ever before. The galaxy would not see the full power of humanity until the moment they were ready. Until Earth's children, the exiles, returned not as weaklings, but as masters of their fate. The seeds of rebellion had grown into roots. Roots strong enough to challenge even the mightiest empires. And the galaxy, blind and arrogant, would soon discover that the humans it had mocked were no longer the same. The secret evolution of humanity was complete. They had learned, grown, and prepared. And the day of their return, when the galaxy would face the true power of Earth, was closer than anyone imagined. After years in the shadows, humanity was ready. The exiles had grown in strength, skill, and knowledge. They were no longer weak, no longer a failed experiment. Every ship, every soldier, every mind was prepared for the moment that would change the galaxy forever. The first human fleets emerged quietly from hidden sectors. At first, the galaxy noticed nothing, thinking these were minor disturbances or random pirates. But humans were clever, striking with precision, avoiding detection when needed. A small alien patrol disappeared in a single night, leaving no trace. The galaxy began to murmur, a feeling of unease spreading among the empires. They did not understand what was happening, and arrogance blinded them to the truth. The humans struck again, this time with strategy and force. They targeted supply lines, crippled fleets, and reclaimed forgotten planets. Alien leaders were shocked. How could a civilization they thought weak and lost be so clever, so coordinated? Human ingenuity and courage proved unstoppable. Every battle was a lesson, every victory a warning. And the humans, united as one, grew bolder with each success. The return was not just military, it was a message that humanity could no longer be ignored or mocked. Their ships, advanced and deadly, moved like shadows through space. Their soldiers, trained in exile, outsmarted much larger alien forces. Every victory spread fear, but also inspired whispers of awe and respect. Even enemies began to realize that the humans were no longer the same. The galaxy watched in disbelief as humans reclaimed territory. The empires tried to respond, sending their fleets to fight. But humans had learned every weakness, every pattern, every mistake. They used the galaxy's arrogance against it, outthinking, outmaneuvering, and overpowering those who had once laughed at Earth. It was a slow, careful rise, measured and precise. But unstoppable. The suspense grew with each engagement. Every empire wondered when humanity would strike next. Some tried to negotiate, offering peace or surrender. Others tried to hunt them down, sending massive fleets into the void. But humans were always one step ahead. Silent, patient, calculating. The galaxy realized too late that they had underestimated the fire of exile, the will of humanity. And then came the first confrontation with a major empire. A fleet twice the size of the human force moved to crush them, confident of victory. But humans had prepared, anticipating every move. The battle raged across stars and planets. Human tactics were flawless, their courage unshakable. The alien fleet was defeated, humiliated, and forced to retreat. It was the first sign that the galaxy had underestimated humanity. And it would not be the last. The return was not just about power, it was about proving a point. That no empire, no matter how great, could silence or destroy the human spirit. From exile to legend, humanity had become a force beyond expectation. The galaxy had mocked them once. But now, the humans were a storm, unstoppable and unstoppable. And the first empires to face them would never forget. The fire of humanity had returned. And the galaxy, blind with arrogance, was about to learn what it truly meant to laugh at Earth. The galaxy had never seen anything like this. Humanity had returned from exile, stronger, smarter, and unstoppable. The empires that had mocked Earth trembled at the thought of human power. Ships once tiny and weak now moved like giants, filled with advanced technology, clever tactics, and determined minds. Every battle proved the galaxy wrong. Humanity did not just fight, they outsmarted, outmaneuvered, and outlasted their enemies. A single human ship could turn the tide of a battle. A small squad could infiltrate and destroy entire fleets. And the aliens, who had once laughed at Earth, now feared it. No one could predict what humans would do next, and that fear was humanity's greatest strength. The humans reclaimed planets, one after another. Worlds that had once been conquered by empires now shone with human flags. The exiles, who had once wandered lost in the void, now ruled with courage, creativity, and wisdom. But this was not conquest for power or glory. It was a lesson for the galaxy, a reminder that no one could destroy the human spirit. Humanity's leaders spoke to their people with pride. Not arrogance, but hope and determination. They reminded everyone of the journey from exile to triumph, of the fires of struggle that had forged them, of the courage and unity that had kept them alive. And they promised that the galaxy would never forget the lesson of Earth. Every empire that opposed humanity learned that strength is not only in numbers or weapons. It is in the heart, in courage, in creativity, and in the will to survive. The galaxy had underestimated humans for centuries. But now, even the mightiest fleets bowed before their strategy and intelligence. The failed prototype was gone, replaced by a civilization that could challenge any empire. And they did it not just with technology, but with the unstoppable human spirit. Stories of humanity spread across the stars. Legends of the exiles who had returned from the void. Of the small ships that defeated giants. Of the humans who rebuilt themselves stronger than ever. Other civilizations whispered in fear and awe. The galaxy had learned that to mock Earth was to invite defeat. And that no force, however vast, could crush a people united by hope and courage. The humans looked to the future, not with fear, but with determination. They knew the galaxy was vast and dangerous. But they had learned that no challenge was too great, no empire too powerful. From exile to triumph, humanity had proven itself. And the galaxy, once so arrogant and cruel, had no choice but to respect them. Earth, once a forgotten world, now shone as a symbol of resilience, courage, and the unstoppable fire of humanity. The exiles had returned, not as victims, but as legends. And the galaxy, forever changed, would remember the lesson of humanity for all time. From exile to legend, from weakness to power, humanity had triumphed. And the stars themselves seemed to shine brighter for it. The galaxy had laughed at Earth once. But never again. For the humans had returned stronger than any empire could imagine. And so, the story of humanity's triumph began. A story of hope, courage, and the undeniable power of the human spirit. A story the galaxy would never forget.